Hey, good morning, everybody. We're going to go over simple interest today. We got a couple examples here, so let's just dive into it. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is 800 at an annual rate of 8% for 9 months. Okay. So remember, the first thing we always have to do is get to get rid of the percentage and put it into a decimal. Okay. For this problem right here, you're going to simply go 800 multiply by 0.8. Okay. And then we're going to get our answer, right? Which will give us an answer of 64. Okay. Then we got to figure out 9 months. Okay. So if you divide 9 months by 4, it goes by 25, so it can get to 100. Okay. So this right here will actually equal 0.75. And what we're going to do with the 0.75 is we're going to multiply by our new number, which will give us an answer of 48. Okay. Lastly, to find our final answer, we're going to take this number and we're going to add it to 48, which will give us our final answer of 848. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. Next, we're going to borrow. So we're going to go $200 borrowed for 2 years of an interest of $24. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the 200 and we're then going to multiply it by 2. Get our answer. Our answer is going to be 400. Okay. Next, we're going to take the 400, all right, and 24. And what we're going to do is we're going to then divide 24 by 400. And then we're going to get an answer of 0.06. And then after we put this into percentage form by multiplying it by 100, we're going to get an answer of 6%. Okay. Finally, our final question here, we're going to use the exact same steps. We're going to go with 350. Multiplied, because we're going to get rid of this, by 0.08, which will give us an answer of 28. And then we're going to take the 84, okay, and we're going to do the exact same thing we did with the previous problem. We're going to go 84 divided by 28. And our answer is going to be, because we're looking for time, okay? It's going to be 3. All right. So our final answer is 3. All right. And that is simple interest.